You won't believe it, but I still get this question and concern, and that is, can I be addicted to chiropractic adjustments? Absolutely not. What happens when you start a healthy eating routine or an exercise routine? You start to feel good and you understand the benefit and you wish to continue it. When people get adjusted, they feel good and they understand the benefit of chiropractic care. The same way you are not addicted to healthy eating or exercising, you are not addicted to chiropractic care. You understand the benefit and how it's helping you and wish to continue it as a part of your wellness routine. Remember, feeling good feels good.